Let's look at Chapter 11, Lesson 4, Extension, finding the area of faces on three-dimensional figures. Complete the first problem, then use your answer to complete the second and third. Mr. Garcia's classroom has 4 walls. He wants his class to make a mural for one of the walls. He cuts 2 large pieces of paper that are 24 feet long and 4 feet high. After students decorate the papers, he will tape them together and put them up so that the entire wall is covered. What is the area of the entire mural? Well, I know that he's going to have 2 that are 24 by 4. So I would use this information in order to find the area, and I would take 24 times 4, and I would get 96. So the area of each one of these is going to be 96, but I need to know all together, so 96 plus 96 equals 192, and that would be feet squared. There are 24 students in Mr. Garcia's class. To be fair, he will draw lines on the mural papers to split them up so that each student has the same amount of paper to draw on. How much space should each student get? Well, looking at the picture above, you can see that it's 24 by 4. So if I put them on top of each other, it would be 24 by 8. And 2 of the 4s would be on the sides, which equals the 8. You could then divide it up evenly with one student getting a 1 by 8 in order to paint it. So if you divided these up into 24, each one would have a 1 by 8 that they would be painting, which would be 8 feet squared. You could also find that by taking 192 and dividing it by 24 students. Now, in order to look at the dimensions, you can go back up here and look at the picture, and that would be a 1 by 8. In order to get 8, you could have also done a 2 by 4, because that is going to equal 8 when multiplied.